Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Tricks app channel. Today I'll show you how to unfollow someone on Threads. If you are using a newly launched Threads app, and you have followed someone and you kind of don't like the threads they post, or for any reason you want to unfollow them, don't worry, in this video, I'll be showing some easy and simple steps to do so. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open the Threads app. As you can see on the homepage, there are many random threads and also the threads of the people you have followed. Let's unfollow someone. To do so, click on the profile option at the bottom right corner. Here you can see the followers list. Click on it. Click on following. As you can see, I am following these two peoples. Let's unfollow someone. Simply click on the following icon of that person. Congratulations, you have successfully unfollowed someone on Threads. Now the person you have unfollowed, their posts will not be shown to you. We have started Threads app tutorial series. Make sure you also check out others on our channel. So these were some simple steps to follow. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like videos, please share with others and don't forget to like and subscribe.